Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Festool 576490 TID18 Impact Driver. The Festool 576490 TID18 Impact Driver and PDC18 Drill Driver Combo Kit is a high-quality, professional-grade set designed for those who demand power, precision, and durability. Known for their craftsmanship, Festool delivers a well-rounded package with this combo kit that is perfect for carpenters, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts who want to tackle tough projects with ease. The TID18 Impact Driver features an impressive 62 ft-lbs of torque, making it more than capable of handling heavy-duty tasks, such as driving large screws or bolts into tough materials like wood, metal, and masonry. The PDC18 Drill Driver is a powerful 4-speed drill that can handle a range of materials from softwoods to concrete. It also has a percussion mode for masonry work, offering great versatility. Festool tools are built to last, and this combo kit is no exception. Both tools have a robust construction designed to withstand the rigors of job sites. They feel solid in hand, with quality components and an ergonomic design that ensures long-term use. The brushless motors in both tools improve efficiency, reduce wear and tear, and extend the lifespan of the tools. The TID18 Impact Driver is lightweight and ergonomically designed to minimize fatigue, especially during long projects. The handle is comfortable and well-balanced, making it easy to control during extended use. Our second best Festool drill is Festool Cordless Drill Quadrive iBasic. The Festool Quadrive TPC 18/4 iBasic Cordless Drill is a professional-grade tool that excels in power, precision, and versatility. Festool is known for producing high-quality tools, and the TPC 18/4 continues that tradition with an impressive array of features that make it suitable for demanding jobs in construction, woodworking, and home improvement. The TPC 18/4 features a brushless ECTEC motor that delivers outstanding power, ensuring efficient performance on tough materials like hardwoods, metal, and masonry. With 4 speed settings, the drill offers flexibility for a range of applications, from delicate screw driving to high-torque drilling. The max torque of 442 Nm makes it highly capable for heavy-duty tasks. The Quadrive system allows you to switch between 4 different speeds, making it perfect for both high-speed drilling and precision screw driving. The ability to adjust speeds ensures you can handle a wide range of materials and tasks, from drywall to steel. The percussion mode is particularly useful for drilling into masonry, adding to the drill's versatility on the job site. Festool prioritizes user comfort with a well-balanced, ergonomic design. The T-handle grip is comfortable to hold, reducing fatigue during extended use. The compact and lightweight design makes it easier to maneuver, especially in tight spaces or for overhead tasks. The Fast Fix interface makes it easy to switch between different attachments, giving you more flexibility to use the drill for various tasks. This includes a quick change chuck and compatibility with a range of Festool accessories. Third pick in our list is Festool Cordless Drill CXS. The Festool CXS 18 Basic US Cordless Drill is a compact, lightweight, and highly versatile tool that is perfect for precision work in tight spaces. Known for its ergonomic design and professional-grade performance, this drill caters to professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize control, accuracy, and durability in their tools. The Festool CXS 18 is designed for maximum maneuverability. Its compact size and lightweight body make it easy to handle in confined spaces or for overhead work, minimizing fatigue during prolonged use. Weighing just around 2 pounds, it's one of the lightest cordless drills in its class, which is a big plus for tradespeople who need to use the tool for extended periods. The CXS 18 offers impressive power, running on Festool's 18V battery platform. It's ideal for small to medium tasks, such as furniture assembly, cabinetry, or drilling into wood, plastic, and even light metal. The 2-speed gearbox provides adequate torque for most precision tasks, making it more than capable for projects that require accuracy and finesse rather than brute strength. The T-handle design provides excellent balance and control, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. This design not only helps in tight spaces but also provides great stability during delicate screw-driving tasks. Festool is known for its ergonomic focus, and the CXS18 is no exception. It fits naturally in hand and reduces strain on the wrist. Number 4 in our side is Festool T18E Easy Cordless Drill. The Festool 576758 T18E Easy Cordless Drill is an excellent addition to Festool's lineup of premium power tools, designed for users who value durability, precision, and versatility. It combines powerful performance with a compact, ergonomic design, making it a great option for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. The T18E Easy comes equipped with a powerful 18V motor, providing more than enough torque for drilling and driving into various materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. Whether you're working on cabinetry, home improvement projects, or even light industrial tasks, this drill delivers consistently smooth and powerful performance. The inclusion of Festool's ECTEC brushless motor technology ensures efficient power delivery, longer tool life, and minimal maintenance. Brushless motors are known for being more efficient than traditional brushed motors, meaning you'll get more runtime and better overall performance without worrying about frequent wear and tear. This drill offers variable speed control, making it highly versatile for different types of applications. Whether you need high torque for tougher materials or high-speed precision for delicate tasks, the T18E Easy adjusts smoothly to your needs. The built-in LED light is a handy addition, providing clear illumination of your work surface, which is especially useful in poorly lit spaces such as under cabinets or in crawl spaces. Number 5 in our top 5 best Festool drill list is Festool Drill TID18. The Festool Drill TID18 HPC ISET/TPC18 US is a versatile and powerful combo kit designed to meet the needs of professionals who require top-tier performance and reliability. With its combination of the TID18 impact driver and TPC18 quad drive hammer drill, this kit covers a wide range of drilling, driving, and fastening applications, making it a go-to choice for carpenters, electricians, and other tradespeople. The TID18 delivers an impressive 1,593 Nlbs of torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty fastening and driving tasks. Whether you're driving large screws into tough materials like hardwood or dealing with rusted bolts, the impact driver handles it with ease. Equipped with a brushless ECTEC motor, it ensures smooth operation and extends the life of the tool.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.